everyone, welcome back to Page Pulse by Lee. Did you know that India was once called Sone ki Chidiya or the Golden Sparrow? But what made it so special? Well, today we are going to dive into one of the most fascinating periods in Indian history, the Golden Age. It's a story of prosperity, culture and incredible achievements that shaped not only India but the world. So let's get started. So what exactly is a golden age? A golden age refers to a period in a civilization's history when everything flourishes, from culture and science to trade and art. For India, this period coincides with the reign of the Gupta Empire, approximately from the 319 CE to 550 CE. This was a time of stability, immense wealth and extraordinary achievements. It's no wonder historians call it India's Golden Age. To truly understand this era, let's step back and explore its timeline. The Gupta Empire was established in 319 CE by Chandragupta I, who laid the foundation for a powerful and prosperous kingdom. Over time, the empire expanded under rulers like Samudragupta and Chandragupta II, also known as Vikramaditya. The empire reached its zenith between 375 and 415 CE during Vikramaditya's reign. However, like all great things, this era eventually came to an end around 550 CE due to invasions by the Hunas and internal conflicts. The empire's territory stretched from the modern-day Afghanistan to Bengal and from the Himalayas to the central India. Imagine how vast and influential it was. Now, let's dive into what made this period so extraordinary. The contributions during the Golden Age are simply mind-blowing. Here are the highlights. The Gupta period saw remarkable advancements in science and technology. Aryabhatta, one of the greatest mathematicians and astronomers, introduced the concept of zero and proposed that the earth rotates on its axis. Isn't that amazing? Meanwhile, medicine thrived with works like Sushruta Samhita and Charaka Samhita, which were way ahead of their time. The art and architecture of this era were breathtaking. The Ajanta and Ellora caves with their intricate carvings and stunning murals are world famous even today. Gupta era temples set the foundation for classical Indian temple architecture. If you love stories, you'll be thrilled to know that the Gupta period gave us some of India's most celebrated literary works. Kalidasa, often called the Shakespeare of India, wrote masterpieces like Abhignana Shakuntalam and Meghaduta. The Puranas and epics like the Mahabharata and Ramayana were also refined during this time. The economy was booming. Trade flourished with countries like Rome and Southeast Asia. Gold coins were widely used and agriculture saw significant advancements, ensuring prosperity of all. This was also a time of spiritual growth. Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism flourished. Temples were built and rituals were developed. It was truly transformative period for Indian spirituality. As with all great civilizations, the Gupta Empire faced challenges that led to its decline. Internal weaknesses such as succession disputes and fragmented leadership made the empire vulnerable. Adding to this were invasions by the Hunas, which significantly weakened the empire. By 550 CE, the glorious Gupta dynasty had come to an end, but its legacy lived on. Even though the Golden Age ended centuries ago, its impact is still felt today. The advancements in science, art and literature laid the foundation for modern Indian culture and knowledge. From mathematical concepts like zero to timeless stories of Kalidasa, the contributions of this era continue to inspire the world. Isn't it amazing how a period so long ago still shapes our lives today? So that was our journey through the golden age of Indian history. A time of incredible achievements, creativity and growth that truly earned its title as the Golden Age. I hope you enjoyed learning about this fascinating period as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more such videos. Until my next video, stay curious and keep exploring history. Signing off, Page Pulse Valley. See you next time.